Alright guys, this is the heater running. Hear the engine up there, whatever the motor. It's not even blowing hot. You see, this is like, it's only 2 minutes since it turned on. Yeah, you could probably hear it. Can you hear it? Like, dude, can you hear the engine? I just hear like crap up there. It's not even new. I'm gonna go in the bedroom, the master bed. I'm gonna go. This is the master bed. You could hear the engine pushing the air up there. This vent right here might be blowing hot air. This is, oh yeah, this is blowing hot. Oh yeah, this is blowing hot air right there. That's blowing hot air. I think it's because it's running through the cold attic.
I trust this time Flip will have a success to show us. The fabulous Floop.
If I don't hit these. Let me stop this. Hear it? Turn it back on. Yeah. Yeah, hopefully this is hot now because it takes like 5 minutes. It's on for 10 to 15 minutes and it takes like 5 minutes to heat up. So yeah, it's blowing hot air now. It's not even, it doesn't even feel warm. It feels like a little bit warm. It's like normal house air right there. That's like, and then there's a vent in the kitchen over there. Let's see this one. I'm not going in my at Minecraft playing over there. You can even hear the engine from here, the motor. Yep, there's Grandma. There's Grandma. Yay. This when she had a husband, there's her again. Wow, that's what the room looked like. That's back in 2000 something. Oh crap, what was that? Oh, the keyboard freaking fell. To be honest with you, it's not on for 15 minutes, it's only on for like 10 minutes. 9-10 minutes it's on. It's gonna be on now for a long time because this is at 63 and it's gotta heat up to 64 and it takes a long. I hear water up there or something. Here, I'm gonna put the phone in the vent. Do you hear it? It just sounds like so weird. It's a mana. Oh yeah, you can hear like some gas engine working. Yeah, you could really hear it from over here. Because that's near the backyard where it is, and it makes a lot of noise. Like when this thing turns off, I want to heat up my phone and try. Go up to the ceiling. Hold on.